Hello everyone, myself Vipin Mishra. I welcome you all on IMS Gate Academy, and in this video I am going to discuss what is going to be the expected cutoff and what should be the rank that you will be getting as per the marks that you are getting in the electrical paper of GATE 2025. So I hope that you all have done really well in the paper, and now you must have scored your marks as per the analysis that we have done on YouTube. So based upon the score, what should be the rank that you will be getting? So this is what I am going to discuss in this video. So to discuss that, I would also like to discuss the GATE 22, 23 and 24 papers, and relatively with respect to these three papers, I am going to compare that what should be the cutoff and what should be the expected rank as per the marks that you are getting. So if I talk about GATE 23 and 24. So if I talk about 23 and 24, the paper was a tough paper, right? It was not that much easy paper, so we can place it on tough side. If I compare the cutoff for general category, EWS or OBC category, SC, ST or PWD category, so what you can see that there is not a much difference in these cutoffs. So almost the same cutoff we have seen in these 2 years. As compared to 2022, we have received a moderate kind of paper, and in that particular paper the cutoff was on the higher side. It was 30 marks for general category, it was 27.5 marks for EWS and OBC category, and it was around 20.4 marks for SC, ST and PWD category. So what kind of paper we have seen for 2025? So in the year 2025, you can place the 2025 paper exactly similar to the way we have seen in 2022. So it was not that much tough and not that much easy as well. So it was also on the moderate side, right? So the paper was on the moderate side, right? So what cutoff we can expect? So what cutoff we can expect? The cutoff are not going to be similar as we have seen in 23 and 24, or it will not be that much high as well as we have seen in 2022. So the expected cutoff can be around 27 marks for general category, and it will be around 23 marks for EWS category, and it will be around 19 marks for ST, ST or PWD category. So this is the expected cutoff as per the level of the paper and as per the number of aspirants. We can just judge that this is going to be the cutoff as per the paper that we have seen in 2025. Now talking about that how much marks you are getting, and as per the marks what should be your rank. So if I talk about these two papers 23 and 24, which were the tough paper, so you know that even the topper has not scored much marks. In 2023, the one who has scored 67 was the topper. In 2024, the one who has scored 77 marks was the topper. Because 2022 paper was not that much tough, it was on moderate side, so the topper marks were around over 90 as well. Same thing you can see on this year as well, right? So the topper can have marks around 85 to 90. So if you want to be into under 10 rank, so you can see that in 2023 the top 10 ranker was scoring marks under 60 to 67. It was around 70 to 77 in 24, and it was around 85 to 93 in 2022. Now this year what we can see that the topper can get marks around 83 to 90, right? The paper was not that much tough. So who has done very well in the exam, that person might get a very high score, right? So in order to come into under 100 rank, your score should be in this range. This is expected, right? Results may vary as well. In order to score top 100 rank, so you can see again in 2022, once if suppose when I have scored around in this range 77 to 84, were scoring under 100 rank. For 2023 it was on a very lower side. Even suppose someone has got over 50 marks, he was getting under 100 rank. And if suppose someone has scored over 60 marks in 2024, he was getting under 100 rank. So this time it will be over 75 marks, right? It will be over 75 marks, 75 to 83, right? For under 100 rank, your marks should be lying in this range, right? Now talking about under 500 rank. So for under 500 rank in 2022, those who have scored in between 67 to 83, they got under 500 rank. For 2023, it was possible even in 40 to 49 marks. And for 2024, it was possible around, if suppose someone is getting 50 to 59, he was under 500. Now this year, it will be like you have to score 60 to 75. Even it can go beyond 63 as well, right? You may see that much variation as well. So to get an under 500 rank, you should score that many marks. To get under 2000 rank, right? So if suppose someone has scored around 50 to 67 in 2022, he might have got a very good rank, a decent rank under 500 or under 1500 or 1600, below 2000 we can say. This was possible in 2023 if suppose someone is scored in this range 30 to 39. For 2024 it was possible around 37 to 49, right? Now this year if suppose you want to get under 2000 rank, then you should score over 48 marks, right? Over 48 marks you have to score, and then only you can be there in under 2000 students, right? Under 2000 rank. This is an expected score as per the difficulty level of the paper that we have seen. Okay, the paper was not that much tough as we have seen in 23 and 24, correct? So if suppose you are scoring anything below 500, your chances of getting any PSUs will be on the higher side, right? So for that, if suppose you have to get over 60 marks for the paper that we have seen, right? And what we have seen, that I know one of my student who has scored only 42 point something marks, okay, in electrical paper of 2024. He got around 1040 rank, and finally by participating in several rounds of COPS counseling, he finally got IIT Madras, right? So this is possible. So if suppose you are getting under 1000 rank as well, okay, even then top IITs are possible. For that you have to make your chances fancy while participating during the COPS counseling, right? So don't worry too much. Let's see what result you are getting, and then just wait for the counseling as well. Okay, you may get good IITs and IITs as well, so don't worry, right? And if you are scoring on the higher side, then you don't have to worry, right? So if I discuss about what was the level of the different subject in 2025, so in 2025, okay, subject wise analysis if I do for the year 2025 electrical paper. So if I talk about engineering mathematics, so engineering mathematics was on the moderate side, right? If I talk about general aptitude, so general aptitude was on the easier side, right? Network analysis question was also on the moderate side. They were not that much easy. Tricky questions were asked. Signal and system was very easy, so I will put it on easier side, and there were a lot of questions asked from signals. Signals weightage in electrical paper was too high. If I talk about control system, that was also on the easier side, and they have asked too many questions as well, right? Power system was difficult. It was not easy to solve power system questions, right? So power system in this paper was difficult, and power system has maintained the same legacy in 23, 24, and even in 25. Power system has given some difficult question. Electrical machine, some questions were easy and some questions were not easy to crack. So I will put it on the moderate side again. So electrical machine was moderate, right? Power electronics in 23, 24 was not that much easy, but in 25 power electronics was very easy to be cracked. Okay, so power electronics I will place is on the easier side, right? Even it has given too many questions, and the relative weightage was also very high. If I talk about analog electronic was also on the easier side, not that much tough, right? Digital has only given one question, very surprising, and that question was also very, very easy question, correct? Measurement has also given 2-3 questions, and those questions were easy questions. EMFT has given 2 questions, and those questions were not that much easy to crack. Okay, so overall it is moderate. So if I count, there are total 12 subjects. Out of these total 12 subjects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So almost 50% paper was very much doable. That was on the easier side, right? And rest 5 subjects was on moderate to tougher side. So overall paper was not that much tough to crack. So that's why I'm saying the topper can get even 80, anything in the range of 85 to 90 plus, right? Topper can get that many marks. So earlier in 23, 24, what we have seen that even if you are getting 50 plus marks, you are getting a very decent rank. So just what you can see in this year, you have to just increase all those marks and rank, whatever you have seen in 23, 24 by plus 5 marks. What rank you have seen in 23 and 24 as per the marks that you have scored, that rank will be visible this year. Just add 5 marks in the last score, okay? Suppose someone is getting, if suppose someone is getting 500 rank by scoring 55 marks, so this time it will be visible in 60 plus marks, okay? Simple calculation. This is all expected. Let the result come and the final things will be in front of you. But as per the analysis, okay, as per what we have seen from last 4 years, okay, this is what I'm expecting, okay? Now let's see that how much true it will be finally, okay? We will see that. So this is the analysis of the paper expected cutoff and rank. And guys, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, do join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box, so that you will keep on getting all these information, notification, quizzes, strategy and analysis related videos, right? And if suppose you are you have planned to prepare for GATE 26, 27, you can join IMS GATE Academy live online program. We are offering these many features in which we are giving you 800 plus live classes, okay? We are giving you theory and exercise book that contains 4,000 plus question, enough questions for practice. We are offering you GATE question bank that is having 33 plus years of GATE question, including video solution for some tough questions, personalized sessions in which we can discuss that how you can do well in the GATE exam, right? 130 plus online test. So if you really want to join IMS GATE Academy live online program, the link is given in the description box. You can book a counseling session or you can call on these numbers, and these are the top rankers that we have produced in GATE 2024 through the GATE 2024, and right now they are at a very decent place. Either they are there in IITs, NITs, or in very good organizations like DRDO and ISRO, right? So this is all that I wanted to discuss. Now how many marks you are getting, okay, how your paper went, you can just comment in the comment box, and relatively you can compare and you can write your rank as well, that how much you are expecting from this paper. Thank you for watching this video.